Hello viewers, welcome to my channel United Products. Today we learn about how to make 3D model of any building of any country in this one break. First of all, over your Google and find Bing image creator. Here you find your one which you want and visit and just click the beard button. The band is just wow, so beautiful. You can easily let's change some country name and create so other pictures. And here is your pictures of Turkey. You vendings. Amazon. We get this one big from download. Okay, here we apply another bound in which our country name is shown in one button with view size. Here we change. Okay, create. Look at this pictures. Wow. Pakistan maybe is on the bottom. Look like amazing. Let's download easily. Okay, we change the country name. I start. Let's hold here. And then create. Wow, amazing. I have this one, really. If you want to make your pictures as better, so you can go to Google and apply area pics.ai. Let's go here. And here tap for free. And upload your image which you want to play animation. This one, the baby's animation, is animation land. Carry amount of motion animation style which you want to play. Look at this. And you can easily export it like this. Don't go. Same. Within a few seconds, your download is completed and you can open it and show. Here your animation is ready. So then you can easily subscribe my channel for watching more videos. Thank you for joining. Take care. Bye.